Good morning, guys. So I got a web order here for an unattended drop-off. Customer didn't answer the phone call or the text. This is my first delivery of the day. It's 7 a.m. Saturday, so they're probably still in bed. Now, unattended drops, you got to make sure you're not blocking. First of all, it's supposed to be curbside. Well, we got two cars here parked curbside. And then second, you want to make sure you're not blocking the garage. But when you look at an address like this is best case scenario here for nobody answering. I got already a pallet in the driveway, so I'm going to set it right behind that pallet there. But if that wasn't there, I would not block that driveway or that garage. I would set it right here. And that would have been my best option in order for them not to call the store and complain. But we're gonna drop this right behind the other pallet. They're probably still asleep. They did approve it for unattended, so it's just a couple concrete bags and some Portland type 2 cement. Nothing they really care too much about getting stolen. But I'm gonna drop that right there. I'm gonna grab my photo, and fortunately in this one I can get my photo with the picture of the product and the address right there in the same photo. So that's very important. You're doing unattended. Get the address, and then they can see where you drop it. Just in case it comes up missing, not on us. But that's an easy one to start today. Could have been a little more complicated. If there's cars filled up in that driveway and along the curb, I would have had to knock on the door and try to get somebody to answer, because I can't just set it on a curb that's not in front of their house. So that's best case scenario. But, you know, that's the thing about doing these deliveries so early in the morning. We start at 6, you know, when Home Depot opens. Well, people don't really appreciate you showing up so early, especially on Saturdays. And that's why you notice most of the Moffetts I run have the bells and whistles turned on. This is the main reason. You don't want this thing making all kinds of noise in the neighborhood at 7 a.m. People don't get too aren't too thrilled about that. So anyways, that's a complete delivery unattended, real quick and easy, and that's how that's done. All right, catch you guys later. Like and subscribe if you want to see more videos like this, and I'll catch you on the next one.